Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, the correct sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting. Then, open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly you need to replace. Now, let's remove the old bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing its release tab. Next, twist the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight housing. Once unlocked, gently pull the old headlight bulb straight out, being careful not to damage the socket. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure not to touch the glass part with your bare hands. Twist the new bulb clockwise until it securely locks into its position. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb until you hear a click. After installation, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm they are working correctly. If necessary, adjust the headlight aim for optimal road illumination and safety. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures your new headlight is perfectly aligned and ready for the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.